The signs of a bad crankshaft position sensor. Hi everyone. Welcome to Sony Views. In this video, we're going to talk about an essential component of your vehicle's engine, the crankshaft position sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in your car's performance, and when it fails, it can cause serious issues. What is a crankshaft position sensor? A crankshaft position sensor, CKP sensor, is an essential component of modern internal combustion engines. It monitors the crankshaft's position and rotational speed, and then sends data to the engine control unit, ECU, to optimize engine performance. This sensor's location in a car varies. Depending on the car's make, model, and engine type, the crankshaft position sensor's location can change, but it typically resides in one of the following areas: 1. Near the crankshaft pulley, 2. On the engine block, 3. Inside the timing cover, and 4. Transmission bell housing. When the CKP sensor fails, it can lead to various engine problems. This video will detail the signs of a defective crankshaft position sensor, helping viewers diagnose potential issues with their vehicles. Subscribe to my channel to receive more videos as I explain the signs of a defective crankshaft position sensor. The following signs indicate a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor. 1. Check the engine light. The check engine light is one of the most common signs of a faulty CKP sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, the check engine light will illuminate. The ECU continuously monitors the sensor's performance, and any irregularities trigger this warning light. The check engine light can indicate various issues, so it's essential to use an OBD-II scanner to read the trouble codes. Codes related to the CKP sensor often include P0335, P0336, P0337, P0338, and P0339. 2. Engine misfires. A malfunctioning CKP sensor can cause the engine to misfire. When the engine cylinder firing timing is incorrect, misfires occur. The sensor provides the ECU with data to control the spark timing. A faulty sensor leads to improper spark timing, causing cylinders to fire at the wrong time or not at all, resulting in misfires. 3. Difficulty starting the engine. If the CKP sensor fails completely, the engine may have trouble starting or may not start at all. The sensor helps the ECU determine the exact position of the crankshaft to provide the correct fuel injection and ignition timing. Without this information, the engine cannot start properly. 4. Stalling. Unexpected stalling is another common symptom. The engine may stall while idle or driving, which can be particularly dangerous. A failing CKP sensor can intermittently send faulty data or lose its signal entirely, causing the ECU to cut fuel or spark, resulting in engine stalling. 5. Poor acceleration. A malfunctioning CKP sensor can cause sluggish acceleration or a noticeable lack of power. The ECU relies on accurate crankshaft position data to adjust the engine's timing and fuel delivery. Inaccurate data can cause the engine to run inefficiently, affecting acceleration and overall performance. 6. Rough idling. If the engine idles roughly or inconsistently, it could be due to a malfunctioning CKP sensor. The CKP sensor helps maintain a steady engine speed at idle. A faulty sensor can cause erratic idling as the ECU struggles to balance the engine's operation. 7. Reduced fuel efficiency. A malfunctioning CKP sensor can lead to increased fuel consumption. The ECU optimizes fuel injection based on accurate crankshaft data. Incorrect data leads to inefficient fuel usage, reducing overall fuel economy. 8. Backfiring and excessive exhaust smoke. Backfiring and excessive exhaust smokes are another indication of a timing issue. Incorrect timing can cause unburned fuel to enter the exhaust system, leading to backfiring and an increase in exhaust smoke. Diagnosing a bad crankshaft position sensor. A diagnostic scan tool typically reads error codes from the ECU to confirm a defective CKP sensor. Additional testing can include: 1. Oscilloscope testing, to check the sensor signal waveform. 2. Resistance testing, using a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance. 3. Voltage testing, ensure that the sensor receives the correct voltage. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and safety. If you experience any of these symptoms, It is advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic to prevent further damage and costly repairs. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and leave your comment for more videos.